Hey everyone, welcome to this quick Photoshop tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a cool gradient stroke effect on your text. Go to the File menu, choose New, or click the Create New button. Create a document with the dimensions 1920 by 1080 pixels. I'm enabling the artboard option for better layout control, but feel free to choose dimensions that best suit your project. Once done, click Create. Then press Ctrl or Command +0 to fit the artboard to your screen and center your workspace. Step 1. Add text. Select the text tool from the toolbar. Right-click to choose the horizontal type tool or press T on your keyboard. Go to the top bar menu and select the font you want. For this design, I have used the font Avengeance, Heroic Avenger. You can also adjust the font style and size as needed. I have taken font size 300 pixel. Click to open the color picker, select the color shown in this video, and hit OK. Now click on your canvas and start typing. I'll be using Avengers for this example. A bold, thick font works best to really showcase the gradient. Click on OK. Open the character panel. If you don't see the character panel, go to the window menu and enable character. Here, you can adjust the font, style, and size. Let's also adjust the spacing between the letters. I'm setting the tracking to around 100 to give the letters some room. This prevents the strokes from overlapping and looking messy. Select the Move tool from the toolbar and use the alignment options at the top to center the text horizontally. Step 2. Apply stroke and color overlay. Now for the main part, the stroke. Double-click your text layer in the Layers panel to open the Layer Style menu. Select Stroke first. Then, select Color Overlay. Click on the color box to open the color picker. Choose the color shown in the video or your preferred color. Click OK. Go back and select Stroke again. To change the stroke size, either drag the slider left or right, or enter a value manually. Adjust position, inside, outside, or center. Keep the blending mode set to normal, and adjust the opacity to your preference. Or you can add manually. Step 3. Create the gradient stroke. Now let's turn the stroke into a gradient. Change the fill type from color to gradient. Click Reverse if you want to flip the gradient direction. You can also select a different gradient style. Adjust the angle to rotate the gradient, or you can add manually. And use scale to fit your design. Step 4. Customize the gradient. Click on the arrow icon beside Gradient to open the Gradient presets. You can choose from Photoshop's built-in presets, or create your own gradient. Click on the Gradient preview bar, double-click on a color stop to choose a color, choose the color shown in the video, or your preferred color. Click on OK. Alternatively, select a stop, then click the color box to pick your color. Hit OK. To fine-tune the transition, drag the diamond icon between two stops to adjust the blend. You can also add new color stops by clicking below the gradient bar. Double-click on each color stop to select your desired colors. Click OK when done. To add more colors, click below the gradient bar to create new color stops. choose the color shown in this video and hit OK. To duplicate a stop, hold Alt, click, and drag.
Have a question about this video? I'd love to help. Ask me in the comments below.
Hit OK. Adjust the stop locations by dragging them. Or you can add manually. Experiment with different combinations until you're happy with the result. Once finished, click New to save your custom gradient as a preset for future use. Click OK when done. And that's it. You've just created a gradient stroke effect for your text in Photoshop. If you like my video, hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram, link is in the description. You can also watch other tutorials on my channel.